Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace, back again with another Soulful Summit. If you're new here, welcome to our little corner of the internet, where we dive deep into the heart of things that matter. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my friend. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that's close to my heart, especially during this time of the year. We're going to talk about crafting homemade decorations for a personalized holiday home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Grace, I'm not crafty. I can't even draw a straight line. But trust me, you don't need to be an artist to create something beautiful and meaningful. Crafting homemade decorations is not just about creating something pretty to look at. It's about pouring your heart and soul into something tangible. It's about creating memories and traditions that will last a lifetime. It's about expressing your unique personality and style in a way that store-bought decorations just can't capture. When you craft your own decorations, you're not just making things, you're making memories. Every time you pull out that ornament or that wreath you made, you'll remember the time you spent creating it. You'll remember the laughter, the joy, the love that went into it. And that, my friends, is what the holiday season is all about. And let's not forget about the sense of accomplishment that comes with creating something with your own two hands. There's something incredibly satisfying about looking at a beautiful decoration and knowing that you made it. It's a tangible reminder of your creativity, your resourcefulness, and your ability to create beauty in the world. So, I challenge you, this holiday season, to try crafting your own decorations. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Start with something simple, like a paper snowflake or a homemade ornament. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about the process. It's about the joy of creating. Before we wrap up, if you found this video inspiring or helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future Soulful Summits. And remember, my friends, the holiday season is not about the gifts or the decorations. It's about the love, the joy, the memories we create with the people we care about. So, whether you're crafting homemade decorations or simply spending time with loved ones, make sure to fill your holiday season with love and joy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see what beautiful creations you come up with. Until next time, keep shining your light, beautiful souls.